Alright, so this is pretty much part 2 because we had some technical difficulties. But pretty much a continuation. They're right there. Alrighty, so pretty much gonna leave off where I came with the video. Alright, so continue this. Alright, so back at it again. So I'm finished taking off 10. Bomba. Alright, so damn, okay, so this is gonna pretty much come off. Alright, so these are this is the 10mm bolt I was talking about. There's gonna be 2 of them in there. The other one, and this lock on to actual the motor itself, and then that's when you click it in and tie it up. So I'm gonna put this down. I'm gonna use it again. Now here's the semi-hard part. Now that the motor is loose, you have to take off this thing. Oh, there it is. Alright, so that's disconnected off and everything. So this pretty much just slides off from the door and everything, from the window. And now you're gonna have this one more last part right here. You have to just unplug this. It's kind of hard to do it with one hand, but you guys will get the sense. So that's all we need to do. Put this back down. Alright, so back to business. So I'm gonna put this. Oh, with the brass. Alright, so we get it off finally. So this plug is a very important plug. This is the old one. It just didn't want to work anymore, I guess. So, taking that off. Still want to keep this piece because you're gonna put it on the other motor. Alright, so where's the other motor? Alright, so this is the new one. Now, what I want to do first before me do anything is test it to see if it works. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to plug this in, and I'm going to turn on the car and make sure that thing go up and down, because I would hate for I put back everything and it not work, you know. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do that thing right now. You know what? I got time to do things over and over and over again. So, alright, so I'm putting back the battery. Alright, let me key that. Just want to make sure it'll work. Oh, y'all see that? It's working. That's what I want to see. So it just go up? What about down? You see, this is why I test things, you know. See something real quick. You see, it's a good thing I have a backup plan, because that would have been a fail. So apparently the motor just wants to go up. I have to carry another one. So this is my other BMW. Where the other one there? I need a right one. No, left. Oh, here's the other one. You see that? It's a good thing I have another one. Let's see this now. So, running into problems. That's life. Let's see if the other one that I have is gonna work too. Let's see. Put this down over there. What a pain this is, yo. I see why BMW charges so much to do something. Now, if this one don't work, I'm screwed. Because that's the only one I did have. So let's see. Well, I'm gonna take a chance on it, to be honest. Why does it wanna? I guess they all have a. Why don't you want to retract? Alright, there's have to be something wrong here, yo. Because it's like it doesn't want to retract. Why don't they want to retract? Anyways, I'm going to try to find out why they don't want to retract, because this same one had did the same thing. So I don't know, but long story short, that's how you take off the motor. And if it was working, you know, this is how it would look. I'll just put them back, screw them, and reverse the process pretty much. So that's the end of that video. I'll be posting more on other things that I do on the cars, so stay tuned. Coming through BMW 2.